critical thinking combines insight from many different areas: literature, philosophy, logic, psychology, among others. But one of the most important areas that can contribute to our understanding of critical thinking is cognitive science, in that it can tell us a lot about the foundations of reasoning, the basic biological, evolutionary, and structural limitations to our cognitive processes. In this section to the course, we'll be talking about the basic structure and biological workings of cognition. Although critical thinking is much broader in scope than cognitive science, it is still of great value to us to draw upon research in this area to inform our understanding of how we reason. Even though consciousness, as we experience it, appears much more than the sum of its basic biological parts, it is, however, fully conditioned by it, and in understanding this basic biological and evolutionary condition, we can understand something about the overall structure and process of reasoning. Many breakthroughs in cognitive science have happened over the past few decades, and one thing that psychologists and cognitive scientists will be quick to point out is that what we perceive as reality is really an illusion constructed by our brains. Much of our experience of reality we take for granted and believe it is just the way it is. In fact, though, every little part of our experience of reality has to be constructed by the brain and is conditioned by our past evolutionary development that has placed many limitations on our capacity to reason clearly and effectively. Being aware of these limitations and constraints is a prerequisite to becoming a critical thinker, and this is what we'll be covering in this section of the course.